Item number 6, miscellaneous. A, Rhonda Dean to address the council on a donation of funding request for CASA.
And it's actually 2 A's. Instead of C-A-S-A, it's C-A-A-S-A. Okay. And some handouts. And I barely slid in here. The roads are fabulous.
No, I understand they're not good at all.
No, the blow ice is just wonderful. In your packet, first of all, my name is Rhonda Dean. I'm the Executive Director for CASA, the Centers Against Abuse and Sexual Assault. We're an 8-county agency that our administrative offices are based in Spencer, but in your coverage area, Jenny Allers, who couldn't be here tonight, she was going to come with me, but her daughter got admitted to the hospital today, so she couldn't be here. But she is the BD Sac County Coordinator, so she works with all the victims that we work with out of Sac County and comes to Sac County 1 day a week and holds a support group and meets with victims of domestic and sexual violence in Sac County. So you'll see in the handouts our brochures, the orange one, that's the services we provide. We provide counseling, crisis counseling to victims. We provide shelter. We provide prevention education in schools and in community awareness programs to individuals, a lot of school programming that we do. And then the other 2 brochures you'll see are our volunteer items that we have, positions we have available, and then we have 2 second-hand stores. That's kind of a funding stream for us. What I'm here asking for is $500. If you could put that in your budget for FY11, we would appreciate that. And in the letter, there's a breakdown. In 2009, CASA served 666 new clients. That doesn't count the clients that we see continually from the previous year. So this is brand new to our agency in 2009. That works out to about 6.5 new clients per staff person per month. So when we're talking about Jenny, who covers your area, she sees on average 6.5 new clients per month. In Sac County, we had worked with 17 new adults and 4 new youth, but I've already seen that that's increased here in 2010. Really, when we talk doing awareness in the communities is what increases our client load. When people know you're there, that whole adage of if you build it, they will come. When they know you're there, they will come and seek out those services. So we're asking for $500. Attached also then is our budget for FY10. We're in the process, as you are, working on FY11. We've taken a 12% cut in our grant funding over the last 2 years. And so we've, for FY11, we're going to have to eliminate 1 staff position, and that's why this community funding is so important in our 8 counties that we serve.
Have you been in our school system? There was a person there.
Yes.
One day when
Yeah.
I visited.
Christy Langschwager is her name. She is our prevention education coordinator, and she does prevention education in all 8 counties that we have our service area. And she goes in and does sexual assault prevention education to pre-K through 12th grade. She also works dating violence, bullying, all of those kind of things.
Where do you meet with these clients?
Wherever we can. A lot of the meetings happen in the courthouse here in Sac City. But if it's nice out, Jenny will meet in the park. We try to be as anonymous as we can so that confidentiality is maintained. But it was wherever we can find a space that's confidential and convenient.
Where do you get referrals from certain places,
yes.
and where would they come from?
A lot of our referrals are someone who knew somebody that used our services, but our awareness campaigns these brochures are everywhere. In Lakeview, which I know is another city, but their referrals come from their police department. We actually had a city council member refer somebody. It's just who knows. Anybody who knows what our services are knows how to get a hold of us. And on the brochure, that's our toll-free crisis line that's answered 24 hours a day. We do get police referrals.
So we hand them out with our any sexual or domestic. We hand out pamphlets to the victims.
They come from about everywhere. School counselors.
Have you made a similar request to the county or other cities?
Yes. Yes. Yeah, you'll see on the brochure, on the handout here, local government contributions for FY10. We are trying to expand that donation net for our local governments, trying to shore that up a little bit better. And I don't know, I don't think we've been here in a long time, if any at all. So that I'm glad that you're allowing us to come in and ask for that. And I know city budgets are really tight.
So the ones that are listed on here, they've already committed those
Correct.
amounts?
Correct. I meet with Sac County next week, so the board of supervisors. I'm hoping that we get a contribution from them.
So most of that has come from the county so far, is that correct?
Yes, if you're looking at Clay County, you'll see the breakdown with city. Palo Alto, that's Palo Alto County and Emmitsburg. Clay County, that's Clay County, Spencer, and Peterson. So you can see what that breakdown is.
Do you have a relationship with any of the health programs that the counties operate?
Can you elaborate for me?
I believe most of it has to do with actual mental health.
Yeah.
I know they do a lot more health and social service programs than the cities do.
I've been with CASA for 12 years, and when I first started, there was we received some of that MHI or MMR and MHI monies, the mental health monies, and that went away because of the standards changed in their funding. We don't get it from their line item, I don't believe, on the county anymore. It's just part of their donation that they give out to agencies.
Is this just a breakdown on the reverse side of this?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Because I see Ida County and the city saying 500 there, but it's saying 250 on this side.
They, well, the 250 is contributions and donations on the backside. It's 500 on the front side,
Okay.
500 on the back side. The contributions and donations is individual service clubs.
Okay.
That's what that line item is.
Council members, do you have any other questions?
My card is put to there, so feel free to throw an email or give me a call if you have any other questions. And we would appreciate whatever you can give us.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Coming
you.
in.
Thanks.
Thanks for what you do.
Thank you.